What are you doing?
Peace.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Come here.
Huh?
Come here.
Hi, Bo. Hi.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. Say brand new vlog. Say we're not doing anything today.
No.
It's pretty much just a relaxing day. We're not really doing anything or have any plans. Just playing. Aren't we? Are you hungry? You are? You're not hungry? I've been trying to do the fasting, so I haven't ate yet, and I am starving. Also, I woke up without a voice this morning. You can probably tell my voice is just not normal. It's normal. And I still haven't really got it back, but I don't know why I've lost my voice. Oh, you're so sweet. No.
Yes.
Oh, you're the sweetest thing ever.
Yes,
That was so sweet. Archie, what are you doing today? What are you doing today, huh? Besides laying here and sleeping all the time. Laying here and sleeping all the time. What? Dog?
Dog. I don't want to.
This little guy's been hanging out in our house for probably 2 weeks now. I'm kind of getting an attachment to him. Where's he going? Okay, let's leave him alone. He's going somewhere. I would put him outside, but he'll just jump. What should we name him? How about Grassy? Grassy? Or Lucky?
Boss?
Or we can name him Bob.
Boss?
Boss? The boss? Is he the boss? Okay, marvelous. I was fixing to film something and my tripod broke. Ugh. What the heck? Look, only got 2 legs now. Here's the other one. It broke. And I know it looks like it could just like pop in there, but there's a metal in that and it broke. What the heck? This was a nice one from Best Buy too. Okay. Not cool. I'm just gonna leave my camera on my waffle maker and film this unboxing that I've been wanting to film, because my favorite guy came today. The Amazon guy. And he brought something. I've been wanting to order this for so long, because I absolutely love... Hi. See, look, you can't even see me now because I don't have my tripod. I'm sorry. Not my fault. I love doing my makeup, but it's hard for me to do it whenever I have 2 kids that are in the living room running wild, because I can't see them. So I bought a little makeup mirror that I can bring and sit in here on my kitchen table. This sucks. That I can bring in here and sit on my kitchen table and do my makeup, because makeup for me is very therapeutic. I do it if I don't have to leave the house, or... What's wrong? Hi. I do it just because it makes me feel good, and I don't know, I just really enjoy it. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this, and I've been spending forever trying to find one that I thought was a good quality but also very reasonably priced, because mom. And so we're gonna unbox this and see how it does, and I'll link it in the description if you might be interested. But it's by the brand Bestope, I think. So let's see here. It's actually very nicely packaged. Like, I don't think there's any way it could break. Like, I would be super surprised if it was broken. What, Bubby? What's wrong? Yes? How do I get it out? See, it's like super bubble wrapped. Here, I'm gonna set my camera on this box. And then, yeah. I just have to be very careful so it don't fall. Anyway, it's like very tightly bubble wrapped. This is like no joke. Anyways. There's the mirror. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay. Here's the mirror part. I need to get out the stand. I also get super nervous whenever I'm handling mail. Drives me crazy. Okay, anyways. Here's the stand. What I was saying is you can use batteries to power it, or you can plug it up. So here's the stand. It has a little compartment where you can lay lipsticks or whatever you need to lay in it. And so it just clicks in here. Yep, just clicks in place and rotates like this. Goes all the way back. And then I'm gonna, oh, that ain't gonna work. Let me open it this way. Oh, beautiful. That is awesome. So this is normal. These two are normal magnification. This one's 2 times and this one's 3 times. So here's like your little charger cable. Now it does not come with the actual part that goes into the wall. So I'll have to find an adapter, which I can just like use the one on my phone cord. Camera's shaking. I have AAA's. Yay! I never have spare batteries. I just don't keep them. But oh, there we go. Okay. Ta-da! All right, here we go. Ready? Whoa, that is like super bright. Okay, so if I hold it, it gets dim to that setting, if you can kind of tell. It's still lit. Hi! Let's see how bright it will get. Whoa, that's like blinding. Like, I can't even, you can see the light like gleaming off. Wow. This thing is pretty awesome. Check it out. Look, here's my mirror. Uh-oh. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed, not gonna lie. The magnification on that one is so strong, like, it shows every pore I've got. But that is so cool. It just like clicks back in place. Festo Pay. Festo Pay. I'll link it below. Tucked both kids in the bed, and it seems like I'm the only one awake. And it's just 8 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna go ride the exercise bike, get a little bit of cardio in today. I haven't had that bike very long, and so I gradually increased my distance each time because I've had see, remember, I'm shaky because I broke my thing. No, but I had back surgery a while back, and whenever I had surgery, a screw was pushed into my spine too far, and it hit a nerve, caused like all the nerves in my leg to go dead. So I have to gradually increase my strength, and the bike is supposed to help me do that. So that time I did 3.5 miles, which I know if you work out that's like nothing, but I have to start small. The first time I got on the bike, the next day my leg would buckle, which is what it did a lot after my surgery whenever I was having the bad issues. So, yes, I'm in my bathroom. That's where my bike is. But anyway, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video because I'm just gonna take a shower and then go to bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am drenched in sweat. Ew, yuck. I do not get off the bike unless I have like sweat rolling. That sounds gross, I know, but I feel like if I didn't work up enough sweat to like have it roll down my face, that I just kind of wasted my time, you know what I mean? And so that's what I do. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you watched it, thank you for spending the day with me. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.